I have said this time and again, and I'm reiterating that when it comes to fighting or combating cross-border terrorism, forget about cross-border terrorism, any kind of terrorism. Number two, protecting or safeguarding the sovereignty and safeguarding the national interest. Our party, All India Trinamool Congress, will stand shoulder to shoulder with the union government when it comes to these three. And I'm reiterating it again today. As for the parliamentary delegation of members are concerned, I have said this in the afternoon, that the centre cannot decide unilaterally who will go from which party. They have to ask for names, they have to call and arrange for wider deliberations with all political parties, especially with the political parties belonging to the opposition camp. And then if you ask for the names, if you ask 5 names from Trinamool will nominate 5 members of parliaments to be a part of those delegations. Now I got a news in the afternoon that the parliamentary minister has said that they are representing the country. I couldn't agree with him more. They are actually representing the country. So when it comes to representing the country, I think we should jointly agree and unanimously decide and agree and come to a consensus. Instead of sending parliamentarians, we should be sending the family members of the martyrs or the victims' family or the survivors. We should be sending the brave armed forces, the officers who have led Operation Sindoor from the front lines, who have dedicated their life for the country, who have spent countless nights of vigilance to let India sleep without fear. Who better can represent them when it comes to representing the country? Send them. How many of such members are part of the delegation? Can the union minister answer? Can you show me one instance? So this is not a time to play politics. Politics can take a back seat. जब पार्टी का बात करो, पॉलिटिक्स का बात करो, पार्टी का बात करो, तब अलग बात होता है. जब देश का बात होता है तब ये पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स नहीं चलता है. बहुत पत्रकारों का कल मेरे पास मैसेज आया, फोन में बात हुआ कि तृणमूल अपना मेंबर नहीं भेज रहा है. तृणमूल अपना मेंबर बिल्कुल भेजेगा, पूछेगा तभी तो भेजेगा. आप यहाँ पे आए भाई, अपने चल के नहीं आया ना, मैं नहीं बुलाया, आपके ऑफिस वाले भेजे ना कि भाई आपको यहाँ जाना है. मान लीजिए तृणमूल के पास 5 ऐसा लोग हैं जिसको लगता है कि भाई देश के हित में अच्छा बोल सकते हैं, उसी को भेजेगा ना. आप तो तय नहीं कर सकते. No one was approached. No one was approached. I'm the general secretary of the party. Did they approach me? Did they approach the chairperson? No one was approached. आप पहले बात करिए, अगर अप्रोच किया दोबारा अप्रोच करें. दिक्कत क्या है? क्या प्रूफ क्या है अप्रोच किया है? आप 5 मेंबर मांग लीजिए, हम 5 मेंबर, हम तो खड़ा होकर बोल रहे हैं. कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
सरकार की मंशा क्या लगती है? क्या वजह लगती है? सरकार,
मैं उसमें जाऊंगा नहीं. वजह क्या है, लक्ष्य क्या है, मनसा क्या है, मैं उसमें जाऊंगा नहीं. आपको अगर पार्लियामेंट्रियंस को भेजना है, और मुझे लगता है भेजना चाहिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन साथ में जो सेना के लोग लड़े, जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को सामने से लीड किया, आप उनको भी भेजो ना, वो ज्यादा बता पाएंगे. पाकिस्तान ने किस तरीके से टेरर को मदद किया है पिछले 5-6 दशकों में, वो पूरा दुनिया को जानना चाहिए. मैं बिल्कुल सहमत हूं. एंड द वर्ल्ड नीड्स टू कम टुगेदर एंड फाइट दिस कलेक्टिवली. लेकिन मेरा पार्टी से कौन जाएगा, ये पार्टी का लीडर तय करेगा, बीजेपी तय नहीं करेगा.
Sir, has government approached you again after you protested? Not yet. Sir, Congress made a similar protest day before. Congress made a similar protest about the 4 members that government picked from Congress. So, are you saying the Congress protest was also justified?
मैं किसी के बारे में बता नहीं सकता. मैं अपने पार्टी के लिए बोल सकता हूँ. आई कैन नॉट वाउच फॉर एनी अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. उनका पॉलिसी क्या होगा, दिस फॉल्स अंडर माय पर्व्यू.
अभी के समय
मैं आपको ये बता सकता हूँ कि अगर वो अभी भी हमें बोलेंगे कि हमको 4 मेंबर तृणमूल से चाहिए, मैं 1 घंटा में 4 नाम दे दूंगा. इट्स नॉट अबाउट विथड्रॉन. कौन जाएगा वो पार्टी ठीक करेगा. हो सकता है यूसुफ पठान जाए, हो सकता है नहीं जाए. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द अप्रोच. आप तय नहीं कर सकते कि तृणमूल से कौन जाएगा, तृणमूल से कौन जाएगा, तृणमूल तय करेगा. भाई चुन के आए ना, दे आर नॉट नॉमिनेटेड, दे आर नॉट इन They're not here on the mercy of the ruling dispensation. चुन के आए.
So, Abhishek, you are willing to send representatives
Absolutely.
of Trinamool, but the government has to approach the leadership.
Absolutely.
So, till now, they
coming
were
to the
not-
meeting-
From the very first
They
day
are
you were
not
open to
opposed.
this idea. From the very
Sir,
first day,
coming-
from the very first day you were always willing to send your people. From the very first day.
We are the only political party who has so far not politicized this. We have not politicized this. We are the only political party.
Sir, coming to the meeting, did the government say that there was no nuclear signaling from Park to
I will not discuss whatever has happened in the meeting. It is extremely sensitive. Whatever briefing needs to be done will be briefed by the chairman of the standing committee.
Thank you, sir.
को मदद की
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new-age design. Book now